Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going. Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head.
Mag-unboxing po tayo ng Realme C53. So, ito nga pala yung box niya, no? Simple-simple lang. Dear Tulip, sabi ni Realme. So, ito guys, binubuksan na natin. Ang charger pala nito ay 33 watts fast charge. Ang USB cable naman niya ay USB Type-C 2.0. Kasama rin dito ang mga documents. Ito guys, meron pa rin siyang kasamang free smoke jelly case, no? Simple ejector tool. At ito na nga ang Realme C53. So parang iPhone ang design.
Paano masabi?
May ibang kulay pa siya ng Champion Gold. Dito guys, meron siyang speaker, USB Type-C port, kanyang microphone at 3.5mm jack. Dito naman sa kabilang side, meron siyang power button at fingerprint, kanyang volume rocker. Sa kabilang side naman ay wala. At dito sa kabilang side ay meron siyang SIM card tray. Ito guys ay naka dual nano SIM na at meron siyang slot ng micro SD. Ito ay naka 6.74 inches LCD display with 560 nits peak. Kasama na rito ang 90Hz refresh rate. Ang pixel nito ay 1080 by 2400. Ang front nito ay glass at ang rear naman nito ay plastic. Dito pa rin sa display, screen refresh rate ay dalawang option lang, auto at 60Hz lang. Ito ay naka 6GB of RAM, 128GB of storage. Meron din siyang RAM expansion na hanggang 6GB of RAM. Pwedeng 2GB, 4GB, or 6GB. Ang Android version nito ay latest na, Android 13. Ang kanyang chipset ay Unisoc T612, 12nm octa-core. Naka-dual camera na ang rear camera nito, 50MP at 0.3MP. Ito pa lang ating sample shot ng Realme C53.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay.
Hello guys, ito po ang real camera ng Realme C53 1080p 30fps. Meron din siyang 720p 30fps. So dalawang option lang, no? Ang front camera ng Realme C53 ay 8MP. Sample shot ng Realme C53 front camera.
Strong and fake a smile.
Hello guys, ito pala ang front camera ng Realme C53 720p 30fps.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me.
Ito pala guys ay may 33 watts Superbook fast charge. At ang kanyang battery nito ay 5000 mAh. Meron din siyang capsule charging. Meron din siyang smart control. Ang presyo pala nito ay 7,999 pesos. 6GB 128GB.